Let's place some fresh coffee beans into the hopper. I'm using a nice medium roast. Remember, never remove the container while there are beans inside. Here, I'm going to set the dose for 2 espressos. You can do the same for a single dose too. The filters have a line on the inside that indicates the perfect coffee quantity and dose. We're going to set the grinder to this level. I'm pressing the ×2 button for a double dose. The grinder will start automatically when you attach the filter holder. A great innovation on La Specialista is the smart tamping station. Just pull the lever all the way down immediately after grinding, and this compacts the ground coffee at the right pressure every time. There's even no mess on the work surface. We can see that the final dose is lower than the line, and we don't want to under-extract our coffee. I'm emptying the waste coffee into my knockbox, which is sold separately. First, we're going to adjust the ground coffee quantity dial here to give us more coffee into the filter before we tamp. Let's try this again. Excellent. After tamping, we can see that we have the perfect dose. We can follow the same process if the coffee goes over the line. We just need to decrease the level using the dial. Okay, now we're ready to try making espresso. It's easy to attach the filter holder to the outlet here, and there's a handy tray for espresso cups. Having the spouts closer to the cups helps in creating a rich crema. I'll make sure we're set to espresso and press OK to start delivery. Unfortunately, this looks a little under-extracted. The crema's not very strong and it's quite thin. So we're going to adjust the grinder to a finer setting to get the extraction just right. We only need to make a very small adjustment to the grinder, and we can only do this while the grinder is operating. I'm going to turn it to a slightly finer consistency for a more evenly extracted brew. We will have to make a few more grinds until we get the desired fineness, so let's do that now until we get it right. Okay, let's check this out. Perfect. A really nice full crema here, and the pressure and timing of the extraction was really good. It's taken a few minutes, but now we have our perfect espresso set. Remember, you can now set the single filter too to make sure you get your perfect extraction for a single espresso.